Pakistan's Monologue, written by Shahid Saleem. The title of my today's poem is Kashmir from 1947 to 2016. O Kashmir, thy valley, thy dale, thy Eden, O justice seeker, thy aroma, thy glowingly refreshing heaven, the body that satiated in thy flowery scent got immortality. The coil sang only to enamor hearts and to absorb all humanity. When lost in thy greens, I simply came out of corporal frame and intelligibly became soul, the true self, my real claim. O Kashmir, my darling, my idol, my prized, my beloved Kashmir. But the world saw a wild deceit with ye. Alas, alas, alas. But the world saw a wild deceit with ye, a cunningly mastered venomous treachery. A hard hurt drew a bestial line into thy blissful Shangri-La. A hard hurt drew bestial line into thy blissful Shangri-La. A callous cold wave ran through my very soul. Juno jumped into the issue to let plebiscite play a role. It then staggered this way and that way. Juno, the all-time absconder, made a shameful retreat. Everything went topsy-turvy during this deceit. Scores of thousands of thy sons sacrificed souls. Thy paradigm maidens lost virginity among brutish howls. O Kashmir, my darling, my idol, my prized, my treasure Kashmir. Barbarity may be of 48, 65, 71, 84, 98 or 2016. Life and belongings stand meaningless, me longing to cuddle my jasmine. Kashmir, my darling, my idol, my prized, my cherished Kashmir. 1971 saw my body cut. Oh my God. 1971 saw my body cut treacherously into two. She remained alive, still breathing, and will stick around so. Globe witnessed many a Sir Creek, Siachen, and Kargils. Globe witnessed many a Sir Creek, Siachen, and Kargils. Forced to thy paradise, chopped my channels, chopped my rivers. Forced to thy paradise, chopped my channels, thy gardens, thy flowerets, thy blossoms, thy ditties, clad ready. My God, they're bloody. Thy gardens, thy flowerets, thy blossoms, thy ditties, clad ready. Such a terror engulfed the whole of thee and me, with chaos all around my park, pure land. Even then, still my prized, my beloved, my idol Kashmir, I sing your anthem, your songs, and pray for thy hand, Kashmir, my darling, my idol, my prized, my cherished Kashmir. My sons ate grass, still made atom bomb, an Ali's dream molded to reality by Kadir Nawaz and some, did every bit in my power to get ye, now ye guide. What else shall I be? Did every bit, I did every bit, did every bit in my power to get ye, now ye guide. What else shall I be? Kashmir, my darling, my idol, my prized, my cherished Kashmir. Be it 1947 or 2016, thy sons pray for thy freedom, love you rapturously, relish in thy beloved den. Why me stay away and give ear to others' stingy suggestions? O Kashmir, my darling, my idol, my prized, my cherished Kashmir. UNO, oh UNO. Juno, thy dagger overpowers merely the low and the meager. Come, 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 resolve not to turn this heaven into bonfire. Let its waters be our neat, our Behova, and keep it away from being a supernova. If it will be a supernova, everything will be finished. I repeat, Juno, thy dagger overpowers merely the low and the meager. Come, 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 resolve not to turn this heaven into bonfire. Let its waters be our need, our Jehovah, and keep it away from being a supernova. Server Tufail, Aziz Rashid, and Shabir, Hussein Akram Mahfuz, Sher Lalak, or Haidri, Nishane Haidri. For what, dear? For what? For ye, my dear. For ye, my frenzy. Yes, merely for thee. The youth will keep yielding lives to be ennobled. Thy youth will keep yielding lives to be ennobled until two frames of the same soul get merrily married. Thy youth will keep yielding lives to be ennobled until two frames of the same soul get merrily married. O Kashmir, my darling, my idol, my prized, my cherished Kashmir. Thank you very much. Thank you. I dedicate this poem to all slave nations. Thank you very much.